Here we have a typical Bunting Magnetics Company aerosol test bath rail. The aerosol test bath rails are used in the aerosol industry, most commonly used for aerosol paint cans, but can be used also for any type of lubricant that's put in aerosol can. The rails are used to take cans underneath heated water to expand the gases within the can, to check for leakers and for empty cans as an inspection process. Here we will zoom in on a few of the features of the Bunting Magnetics aerosol test bath rail. Here's a cross-sectional end view of an aerosol test bath rail. Bunting Magnetics manufactures these in both single lane and dual lane rails, but the most common is the dual lane rail. The standard polarity on these is north-south, south-north. That gives firm attraction for two individual lanes while keeping the two cans divided. These aerosol test bath rails can be used with either stainless steel tabletop chain or plastic tabletop chain. Here's the infeed section of the aerosol test bath rail. We have a top horizontal infeed magnetic section where the cans are introduced to the magnetic field. At the top, we have a 24-inch outside radius, a 15-degree decline, and a 48-inch inside radius at the bottom. We feel that the 15-degree angle of decline and incline is the most optimum for aerosol cans of all sizes. The lower horizontal on aerosol test bath rails can be any length that is desired. This is a relatively short one, but they can go up to 30 feet long for more time exposure in the heated water. Now, the depth of the aerosol test bath rail is relative to the tallest can that the company is going to run in their tank. So it can be relatively shallow or it can be quite deep for very tall cans. The discharge section of an aerosol test bath rail is also a 15-degree incline up out of the water bath. As you pull the chain up, you have the 48-inch inside radius again, the 15-degree incline, the 24-inch outside radius, and at least a 12-inch long decreasing field past the curved section. This allows the aerosol cans to smoothly come out of the magnetic field in the very wet conditions. Those are some of the features of Bunting Magnetics magnetic aerosol test bath rail. We have been designing these for over 30 years and have a tremendous amount of experience in this area. So if you have an aerosol test bath and you need a new magnetic rail for that, please let Bunting Engineers custom design your next aerosol test bath rail.